So good morning everybody. I am Dipanjan Ghosh. Today I want to discuss uh, the NEET material, in our NEET discussions about respiratory volume. How will you keep remember in your mind and the mathematical way of to remind the respiratory volume. Let's see about that. So here I have since the during normal inspiration and expiration, the air inhaled and exhaled. This air is known as the tidal volume or VT. We know. So this is a very used way, common way by which all of you keep remembered in your mind. The tidal volume is nothing. It is the air inhaled and exhaled during normal respiration. That is the amount is 500 ml. So this is the normal curve, sine just like sine curve. So this is the tidal volume. And now I come to the aspect of inspiratory reserve volume. So what is inspiratory reserve volume? Inspiratory reserve volume is after the forceful inspiration. So normal respiration, whenever the normal respiration occur, after that, if we take the extra air, inhale extra air by forceful inspiration, then the amount of air restored, that is the inspiratory reserve volume. That is the respiratory volume gained after forceful inspiration. That is the inspiratory volume. The amount is 2500 to 3000 ml. Now I come to the aspect of inspiratory capacity. Inspiratory capacity means whenever this tidal volume, whenever associated with that inspiratory reserve volume, then it is called the inspiratory capacity. So tidal volume is 500 ml and the inspiratory reserve volume is 300 ml. So the amount is 300 to 3500 ml. It will depend on the inspiratory reserve volume. Either if you take 2500, then the amount will be 3000, and if you take the inspiratory reserve volume as 3000, then it will be 3500 ml. Now I come to the aspect expiratory reserve volume. So expiratory reserve volume means just diametrically opposite to the inspiratory reserve volume. When by the forceful inspirations, the amount of air will be entered to your lung. That is the expiratory. The amount of air will be exhaled by the expiration process. By the forceful expiration process, this is the expiratory reserve volume. This is basically the expiratory reserve volume. So this is the tidal volume and this is the expiratory reserve volume. The amount is 1100 ml. Okay. And simultaneously, just like inspiratory capacity, the expiratory capacity is such. In that cases, it will be the expiratory reserve volume will be associated with tidal volume. So the expiratory reserve volume is near about 1000 to 1100 ml. So the expiratory capacity will be 500 plus 1600 ml. And if we come to the aspect of residual volume, the amount of air will be remain to the lungs after the forceful expiration. After the forceful expirations, the residual amount of air will be present to the lung. That is the residual volume. Okay, so this is near about 1200 ml, that is 1.2 liter. And if we just assume, now I want to discuss about the vital capacity. Vital capacity means after the forceful inspiration and the forceful expirations. The amount of air will remain. The amount of air is called the vital capacity. That is, vital capacity is the summation of tidal volumes plus inspiratory reserve volumes plus expiratory reserve volumes. And if we go through the mathematical explanations, then the amount of TV is 500 ml, the inspiratory reserve volume is 3000 ml, and the expiratory reserve volume is 1000 ml. So it is near about 4500 ml. This is the vital capacity of lung. And that is the vital capacity is the tidal volume, that is the tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume plus expiratory reserve volume. So this is the vital capacity. And if we come to the total lung capacity, then the total lung capacity is nothing. T.L.C equal to residual volume plus VC, vital capacity. Residual volume is near about 1100 ml, and vital capacity is we have got 4.5 liter or 4500 ml. So the value will be near about 5600 ml. Near about 5600 ml. So this is the total young capacity of the ions. So by that diagrammatic presentations, I have realized you how will you keep remember in your mind to the NEET examinations of Medicaid, that is the different parameter, different volume, that is the tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, inspiratory capacity, expiratory reserve volume, expiratory capacity, residual volume, vital capacity, and total young capacity. So this is all about respiratory volume. Thank you, everyone.